Good morning guys. So the weather's a bit better. I do have nothing to do for the Laurel. I will be fixing the Mini a bit later. What I do got a plan is to get the gearbox I've taken out of that car and one of the older boxes which I've taken apart. I'm gonna take them both and take them to a gearbox specialist to make a one gearbox out of the two that's a good one, so I can then put it back in the car. So I think that's the plan for today. Then just enjoy the sunshine because we don't really get a lot of it here. So yeah, I think that's the plan for today. Alright, so I'm just about to leave for the gearbox place. I can't quite remember the name. I'll put it down in the description. I spoke to him earlier this week. He seems to be quite confident about the product, meaning the gearbox from the Skyline. So he's going to have a look, put one good one for me together. He doesn't really have a time scale, but you know, that doesn't really matter. It's not a daily car, so that should be okay, and hopefully then we should be good to go. But yeah, I'll do some recording when I get there, see what the place is all about, and yeah, I'll see you guys there. Right, so he wasn't keen talking on the camera, which is understandable. I did have a little look around this place. I mean, it's got an incredible amount of parts. Old school guy, he seems to know what he's talking about, so hopefully he's going to sort us out and then we can put the gearbox in. It's going to be a little while, I think, maybe a couple of weeks for him to do it, but that's okay. So yes, going home, I want to try and fit the front wheel just to see whether it's going to fit. I might need to space it because it's quite wide, so it might need to be spaced out a bit, and I think that's it for today. There's no reason to follow this, guys. I just want to have a look. Nice. Oh, he's gone. So I've arrived back from the gearbox place. Just a couple of quick things. I want to take the front wheels off the car, and I'm going to try the new wider wheels. I just need to see whether I need to put some spacers on the car because it might hit the shocks on the inside. One more thing, I've launched a brand. It's called the Drift Industry. This is the first t-shirt. Nothing to do with drifting, but it's to help fund my Mrs. Mini to restore it. So if you buy a t-shirt, you're going to get a nice quality t-shirt with unique design, and then obviously going to support us, the channel, as well as the restoration of the Mini. And that's it for today. Let's just grab the wheel, see if it fits, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. those 10-hour mining spaces, but if anything, maybe about 5 mil, not even that. Struggling. The gap is very minimal, but it's just to sort of account for maybe perhaps slight play in the wheel bearing, you know, so that's, yeah. But it's safe to say it's gonna look sick. I can't wait. So might need some bigger spaces. You see, I don't know what it's gonna be like when it's lower down, but I'll dowel some camber out of it to make it a bit more drivable as well. So it's safe to say that I'm gonna need some wheel spaces on the front, which is fine. I was sort of expecting it, maybe just at 5 mil. Neighbours have decided to clean their patio, so I'm sort of trying to move away from the noise. I've got a couple of rear tow arms for the Laurel because one of them is bent from the accident. So I bought these. I'm just quickly show you these aftermarket second-hand arms from eBay for £30. I don't know what they are quality wise, but they're cheaper than trying to buy second-hand genuine ones. So I might as well thought I'll buy these adjustable ones. Yeah, they seem alright. I'm sure they will do the job just fine. A couple of more things. I've got a garage up the road, which is going to be quite nice. We're going to put the Mini in there and sort of slowly restore it. Hopefully get some money selling these t-shirts. So, you know, as I mentioned earlier, do check it out in the description. And I think that's it for today. I did inquire regarding the garage at the back here because we do own a little bit of that land, but because it's not attached to the house, I can't actually put a garage there. So it's only really good for the parking, which is what it was sort of intended for. So that's fair enough, you know. But it's nice to have a land you can actually do something with, rather than just have it sit there and do nothing. So that's for today. Tomorrow going to do the Mini. Finally, I've got everything I need. The weather's nice, so things are happening now, which is quite cool. So I'm not sure when I upload the video, but I'll see you guys tomorrow.